Hello everyone, in this project we want to use the microcontroller and able to control the stepper motor. So get to see which component do we need. So the first we have here Texas Instrument TIVA C-Series LaunchPAD, which has the Cortex M4 microcontroller. We need the driver L293, so that's actually the step motor driver. So we have 12 volt stepper motor, and also we use one switch that able to control the stepper motor. So whenever you push the switch, so as you could see, with pushing the switch you are able to drive your motor and put that in clockwise and in any location that you want. So if you hold the switch, it's actually turn clockwise, and with just pushing this you are able to put in any location that you want. So let's take a look to the circuit diagram and also the codes that we wrote in energy. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. So as you can see on the left we have our microcontroller. We use 5 I/O pins, PB0 to PP3 as your output and PE0 as your input. So the PE0 is connected to the ground through the 10K whenever this switch is open. So that will be the 0, and whenever it is closed, it's actually get the 1 volt here. So this is your driver L293, which is somehow is the interface that you are able to drive these 12 volt stepper motor with 3.3 volt PCB board with your microcontroller. So as you could see it, you connect the 4 pins here, and it's able to connect these or transfer these 4 bits to these 4 bits or 4 outputs, but this time it's able to drive with any voltage that you connected here. So the stepper motor is unipolar, so it has 6 wires. So you see here the colors and where you need to connect these wires. So let's check the codes and see how we could write the codes. So this is the codes. We used Energia to write our code. So as you could see here, we start to label the pin PB0 to PB3. We give actually 4 different names: motor pin 0 to motor pin 3. So for P0 we actually label that as a switch, and also we make one variable which is delay time. We actually initialize by 10. So here you see we use the pin modes to tell PB0 to 3 should be the output, and PE0, which is switch, should be input. So take a look to the main part of the codes. So this is what we are going to do. With writing just 5, 6, 10, 9 in the output, we are able to drive our motor. So, and you also could give a delay between these 4 states, and with adjust that delay you are able to control the step of your stepper motor. So as you could see, first you need one if, which is check you push the switch or not. So if you push the switch, it's going to write 5, 6, 10, and 9. So see the first one, we actually write 1, 0, 1, 0, which is 5. Then we write 0, 1, 1, 0, which is 6. Then 0, 1, 0, 1, which is 10. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, which is the 9, and also we have the delay between them. So which controlling this delay, if it is the small number, you could actually get more higher speeds in your stepper motor. So write 5, 6, 10, and 9. With delay between them, you are able to drive your motor and also control its speed. So let's load these codes to the stepper motor and see it if it is works or not. So this is a circuit. Let's see if it works or not. So as you could see, with pushing the switch, you are able to drive your stepper motor to any position that you want. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.